What is up, everybody? It's Kyle here, and today I'm broadcasting live straight from my MIT dorm room because I have some super exciting news that I want to share with you. At long last, you guys will now have BuilderDude 35 merchandise available for you to purchase, which is something that I'm really excited about, and I know a lot of you guys will be excited about. This is something that's been requested a lot over the years, ever since I started wearing these cool newly fangled custom shirts on my YouTube channel, which I made at a local print shop. But the thing that was holding me back is they were too expensive to be able to ship to everyone. However, I now found a third-party website that allows me to upload my design and then sell them to you guys free of charge to me, and so you guys would be buying directly off of that website. So it's like a win-win for both of us because it also allows you to have more options. So not only will you have the classic blue t-shirt, you can also get this in a whole bunch of different colors like white, gray, black, purple. I'm personally excited for the purple because I really love the color purple. But you can also get this design on a hoodie sweatshirt or a long sleeve t-shirt, which is also super cool. And I'll put up the link to the video in a card so you can check it out. This is a really awesome new thing for me, and I'm sure you guys will love it. And really, it couldn't have come at a better time, especially now that we're going to be moving into the holiday season in about a month or so, and you'll be looking for gifts for friends, family members, etc. And this would just make a fantastic gift for anyone who's a fan of my channel. Hint, hint, subliminal advertisement messaging there. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. So check out the website and check out all my merchandise. And as always, thank you so much for watching and being a consistent supporter of my channel. I'm so excited that we just reached 17,000 subscribers. And I'll see you this coming Thursday with a new tutorial.